As you can see in the before, this is the original sweater. The first thing I did was I cut out the diamonds that I wanted to use in this design. Then I used this stop fray adhesive, which I purchased at Hobby Lobby for $3. I traced it around the diamonds and it's just going to prevent fraying. From there, I just used a Q-tip to spread it out. Now, as you can see, it leaves a bit of a residue, although it dries clear. However, this is the inside of my garment. Next, because while cutting into the diamonds, I had to cut into some of the seams, I did reinforce them on my sewing machine. Then I used pins to see exactly where I wanted my collar to be. From there, I cut the panel from the unused portion of the collar, and then I made sure that the top is cut at an angle. Once cut, I finished the edges on my serger and it just gives a cleaner look. Then I had to sew both pieces together. Once done, this is what it looks like. The last step was I ironed the seams down. And there we go, pretty simple. This is the finished sweater.